Today I'll be installing my new shift boot for the Honda. It's hot. I'm open the windows. So I ordered it off Amazon, of course. I order like everything off Amazon. I feel like it's too cool. Oh, there we go. From Spec D Tuning or whatever. Just a suede shift boot with red stitching. It's really basic. And I already bought this shift knob here. Yeah, this is the shift knob I got. I actually have one coming in, but this is the one my friend gave me for 10 bucks. Thanks, Freddie, for hooking it up for $10. This Spoon Sports shift knob. These go for like freaking $70, in which I don't understand why. It's really small, but it feels really good. It's not a weighted shift knob, but it's a good shift knob. Like, it feels good on your hand, like when you're shifting. It's not too big, it's not too small, you know? It's perfect. But I have another one coming in, and it's the same aluminum, and except the gear imprinted on it is red instead of just, dang, my cat hair, shit. Yeah, but whatever, on to the actual install. I like how this feels. I can imagine how it's gonna look. For the install, you're gonna need, obviously, a shift boot, screwdriver, which this is really long and I need the shorter one. This is the kind of screwdriver you want, not for it to be so long or little. I guess it doesn't matter, but it's easier to like twist and do all that. So the first thing you want to do is remove the 3 screws on the center console on each side. There's one right there, one right there, and one right there. And like I said, that's on each side. Right there, and right there. The last one is a little bit tricky to get to, but just angle your screwdriver the right way and you should get it. Next thing you want to do is unscrew your shift knob, and it may be like really tight or not, but in my case it's not, because I didn't put it on that tight for what. And just like that. Thing I forgot, you have 4 more screws like on the armrest. These 2, and then the same on the other side, which is these 2. And I already did this, and as you can see, it's already coming loose. So you just need this side and you're all good, ready to take off the console and lift that up, and that's it. And once you got the 4 screws from the back off, you can just remove the console. It's that simple. First is the back one, and then is this one. It should just be able to come right off. Like that. After you remove the consoles, this is what it's gonna look like. Next you want to do is flip it inside out, and these are the 2 screws you're gonna want to remove. Once that is done, you should just be able to remove the silver lining piece and the shift boot all together. Then what you want to do is, you see these? You want to unhook the shift boot from it on all sides, and then the shift boot will come right out. And then you should take this part out, this little rubber piece, and that's it. And if you want to keep your old shift boot, you can. I'm not. I'm going to throw it away. After you have got the old shift boot off, there's different ways to do it depending on the shift boot, but the shift boot I got had slits in it, as you can see right here, so they can fill the slots just like if it was the OEM one. It may require a little bit of cutting, so you may want scissors, because these holes are really small and you can't really stretch it, so just cut it slightly and then they should fit. That's what I've been doing. Once you're done filling in all these slots with your new shift boot, you're gonna go ahead and place it back like it was before. This groove has to go into this hole right here, and then just put back your 2 screws that you first took off and put them back on. I put a little bit of tape just right here just to give you like more grip. And yeah, I already went ahead and did that, so just put back your 2 screws and you should be good. And this is what it's gonna look like. Then just go ahead and put it back the way it was when you took it off. That's how it's gonna look like when you're done. So you're just gonna wanna find the screw, screw your shift knob. You're done. Just put back your console and the screws the same way you took them off. Alright, so just clip back in, and then from here, just screw in all your screws from that side, the other side, the back, the sides, and you're good. Remember, you're gonna have a total of 10 screws. 6 for the front part of it, and 4 for the back right here of the armrest. 2, 2, 3, 3. That's the final product. Looks way better than that old crusty leather shift boot. And that's how you change your shift boot. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.